Hello and welcome to the Morgan Soft channel. Today we're going to talk about a fascinating topic, the rising use of artificial intelligence or AI in the healthcare industry. We'll explore specific examples of how this technology is improving healthcare, identify current trends and future research, and discuss how personal health information, PHI, and personally identifiable information, PII, are kept secure yet accessible. Please take note of questions and concerns you have about the ideas presented in this video. Then please comment on the video and share with the community your thoughts and questions. Now, let's talk about the details. AI has been making significant strides in healthcare. It's being used to advance patient safety by evaluating data to produce insights, improve decision-making, and optimize health outcomes. For instance, AI-enabled tools can detect anomalies in medical imaging, aiding radiologists in the early diagnosis of conditions such as cancer or heart disease. One of the most promising applications of AI in healthcare is in preventive care and risk assessment. For example, in polycystic kidney disease, AI is used to automate the process of assessing total kidney volume, a task that used to take about 45 minutes per patient. Now results can be generated in a matter of seconds. In another example, a Mayo Clinic cardiology study successfully used AI to identify people at risk of left ventricular dysfunction, even though the individuals had no noticeable symptoms. Looking at the trends, AI is not only transforming patient care, but also the day-to-day life of healthcare practitioners. It allows them to spend more time looking after patients, thereby raising staff morale and improving retention. Moreover, AI is expected to revolutionize healthcare by addressing challenges like aging populations and rising healthcare costs. As for future research, experts suggest a shift from pipeline thinking to platform thinking. This approach involves creating an ecosystem of collaboration among providers, medical device companies, health tech startups, patients, and payers to co-create integrated solutions through digital platforms. Now let's talk about the security of PHI and PII. These are crucial aspects of healthcare, and AI systems must ensure their protection. This includes using encryption for both storing and transmitting PHI and PII to prevent unauthorized access. Access controls are implemented to limit access to PHI and PII, granting access only on a need-to-know basis. Regular review and update of access permissions are also essential. Now, let's delve into the ethical implications of AI in healthcare. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into healthcare, it brings along a set of ethical challenges that need to be addressed. Informed consent. AI systems often require large amounts of data for training and validation. Obtaining informed consent from patients for the use of their data is a critical ethical issue. Safety and transparency. AI systems should be safe to use, and their decision-making processes should be transparent. This is particularly important when AI is used to support clinical decision-making. Algorithmic fairness and biases. AI systems are trained on data, and if this data is biased, the AI system can also become biased. Ensuring fairness and addressing biases in AI algorithms is a significant ethical challenge. Data privacy and security. With the use of AI in healthcare, data privacy and security become paramount. Robust measures need to be in place to protect patient data. Accountability and transparency. As AI takes on more roles in healthcare, questions about accountability arise. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake? How can patients be assured that AI is making the right decisions? Job displacement and economic impacts. As AI automates more tasks in healthcare, there are concerns about job displacement and the economic impacts this could have. Addressing these ethical implications is crucial for the successful integration of AI in healthcare. That's it for today's video on the rising use of AI in the healthcare industry. As we've seen, AI holds great promise for improving healthcare delivery, but it also presents new challenges, especially in terms of data security. As AI continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how these challenges are addressed. Remember to comment on this video so that the community of viewers know more about your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.